Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today I wanted to ask you guys a question. Can you make water run uphill? Can you make that water run uphill? This refers to the French drain, the yard drain, and whether or not you need to have a downhill run for that to work. Same in the crawl space. The questions are always the same. You know, how much fall do I need in the crawl space to make this work? And you know, how much fall do I need for the French drain to work? How much fall do I need for the downspout to work? Let me show you. Let's take a look at how much fall you need for a rainwater drainage system, from a downspout, a French drain, a catch basin, channel drain. These are rainwater drainage systems. Take a look. You can see this is an extreme demonstration. Can you see that bubble? That bubble is full uphill. So in other words, if I lift this up, you can see here's level somewhere in there, but I'm just lifting it up. Now we've got 2 inches of fall every 10 feet with a full bubble. Look at that. But I'm going to make this drain uphill from a low spot in the yard. Let's take a look. Okay, so you got this low spot in your yard, and I'm simulating the rainfall by adding water to it. You see the water? That's a lot of water just sitting there. So why doesn't it drain? Why can't we get rid of this water? You know, it should perk down through the sod, through the soil, but it doesn't. Why not? Let me show you why not. And this is the case for nearly 90% of the problems. Can you see? The container, it's full of water. There's no place for that water to go. It has to flood. There's no place for it to go. But if we give it a discharge, which is right here, and I've got it plugged up right now, but we gave it a discharge, that water has a place to go. And not only that, take a look at how much I'm sending that water uphill, clear to the end. Take a look. Okay, I'll let that run. Okay, I'm going to let this run. I'm going to walk over here and open this clean out up, and you can watch this water drain, and this is going to disappear. So here we are, opening up the clean out. Just watch. That water's definitely, it's gone already. Let's go over there and take a look. Step back up here on the deck and take a look. Totally dry, totally dry. Why? Because I gave the water a place to go. Just that simple. Totally dry. I gave the water a place to go, and I can give it all the water I want, and it's going to drain through the system, going through that 4-inch pipe, running uphill to where it discharges. Why does this work? It's really simple. If you look, I'll put the camera here. Let's go right down the line. Let me zoom in. Can you see the water level? It is still higher than the discharge. That's why it works.
So does water really run uphill? Of course not. But in this video I'm showing you a rainwater drainage system. And I've created a simulation where I've discharged that water 7 inches uphill. How does it work? As long as your discharge is lower than where the line begins, this water will flow. It can run level, it can run downhill, it can run uphill, as long as the discharge is lower than the collection. It's just that simple. You know, I have so many videos out here about rainwater drainage. I think I've pretty much covered every aspect of rainwater drainage. So if you're a new subscriber and you have a question, it's probably best if you kind of search the channel, because your question's probably been covered. This was a big question. I still get this every day in emails. You know, how much fall do I need on my footer pipe? How much fall do I need on the French drain? Do I really need to put 2 pipes in here? There's just so many questions out there. And if you take a look at the older videos, you'll find your answers.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.